Go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Otaku clan. We're gonna do a unboxing of these two girls actually. I got these from a friend, and his name is Dragon. Thank you for supporting us on this channel, and I really appreciate you letting me do these two. You know, these are big. Yeah, I know it doesn't really show it in the camera, but this is exactly almost the size of my head. So it's probably, 4 beards length. But let's get into this. But I guess that's it. Which one you guys want to do first? This one. Let's do this one. So, as you guys can see, it's in a box. Very nice box. And this one is from Sword Art Online. EXO figure. Memory defrog. So, let's see if I can get my little trusty knife out. Okay, let's see. This one right here. And then we get one right here. And we get one right here. Alright, let's put this away. And okay, I don't want to damage the box. Okay, let's get this out. Let's get this out. Yeah, it's like really packaged in there. Yeah. Alright, let's see. She's missing a hand. Alright. Trusty knife. Always cut away from you guys. Safety first. I just cut it into me, but I'm a professional. Anyways, it's been a long day, actually. I just did like a couple more videos lately. But let's see, this is the base, I believe. Grab her head. Wow, very long hair. Yeah. Okay, so I guess it goes like that to her brain. Nice. Okay, guys, there she is right there. See if I can bring a little close-up shot. Yeah, right there. So, put this one right here. She is so cute. Very long blonde hair. Alright, let's do this next one. This one is EXO figurine, the Idol Master Caroline Girls. Very long name, but right there, one right here. And again, thank you, Dragon, for letting me open these. I know you wanted to open these yourself, but I really appreciate letting me open these and letting me see them first. Oh, this this one looks bigger than the other one. Good case. Oh, cool. Okay, so this one's not too bad. Okay. Open this up right here. And then let's open this one up right here. This one's really more detailed. Whoa, it's heavy. Let's see. Guess you gotta spread them just a little bit. There it goes. So that's that one right there. And these two girls are ready for the show. I'll be back. So this is the first girl. Yeah, look at the details on her. Zoom in right there. Give her a little twist. Very nice. Let's go to the next one. There she is right there. Look into her R's. Very detailed. Let's do like a little spin. Do another spin. And those are your two girls. And that's it. And that's it, guys. Very nice two figurines. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys next time.